Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use your phone as a webcam in OBS. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to video.ninja. This tool works fully online, so you do not need to download or install anything. Once the page loads, click on Create a Room. Enter a room name and set a password. This allows secure access and also lets multiple phones connect to the same session if needed. Next, open the generated room link on your phone. Enter the password and select Join Room with Camera. Allow camera and microphone access. After a few seconds, your phone camera will be active. Now go back to your computer and open OBS. Click the plus icon under Sources and select Browser. Copy the Capture Group Scene link from Video Ninja and paste it into the URL field in OBS. Name the source and click OK. Allow access when prompted. Your phone camera will now appear in OBS. You can switch between front and back cameras, resize the frame, rotate the view, or use it as a secondary angle. So that's basically how you can use your phone as a webcam in OBS. That's it for this video. Thanks.